d'avoir un layer de transparence qui est accurate, correct, vous voyez, et qui permettent d'avancer sans casser ce que vous ne voulez pas partager. D'accord, donc voilà, ça c'est très très important. Et ensuite, donc voilà, ok. Et ensuite, je vais parler de la Suède. Alors, je vais prendre 5,28. Je vais faire 2 clips. Donc, euh, donc en gros, la Suède a une très forte croissance, plus forte que celle des US. Donc, du coup, face à tous les patterns que j'ai vus, eh bien, alors là, je m'adresse aux Suédois. Donc, si les Suédois m'écoutent, il est possible, alors je dis pas que c'est forcément le cas, je dis qu'il est possible. Il est possible que votre croissance soit forte parce que la Suède c'est un pays qui est pas forcément trop religieux, vous voyez, et que les républicains, les chrétiens utilisent la même technique qu'ils utilisent un peu partout, vous voyez, pour en gros essayer de contrôler une partie de votre économie et une partie des personnes en Suède. D'accord? Donc, sachez-le bien, regardez mes vidéos stream s'il vous plaît et agissez en conséquence. D'accord? Alors, vous inquiétez pas, c'est pas forcément mauvais. Juste, il faut que ce soit de manière claire. D'accord? Donc, il faut que tout soit clair sur les interactions et que vous sachiez ce qui se passe. Ok? Donc voilà. Donc, il est possible, je ne sais pas, il est possible. Ok? So about Sweden, so I saw that the growth in Sweden is really really high. So I was just saying in French that it's possible. So I don't know for sure, but it's possible because of like all the patterns that I could get. That to the Christian community and the US is like creating some growth in your country like they usually do, okay, to like control part of your economy, part of your people, okay. So I am not sure about this. It could be possible, okay. I did not verify in details, I just saw the high level patterns, okay. So it's possible, so you have to be aware of that and basically act act knowing that, okay. Because I don't want you to like in 10-20 years be like in an impossible situation or in a bad situation because of that, okay. So that's why I'm saying that, okay. So I say it's possible. I'm not saying that it's necessarily the case. I'm saying that it's possible, okay. And yes, so what I wanted to add about Sweden is that usually when they do like an economic boom like that, so obviously they could change their technique now, okay. But hopefully you know this and they build with you like continually growing like economy. If this is the case, this is absolutely great, all in clear. So hopefully if this is the case, then honestly really happy for you guys. I think you're the pioneer of the future of I think so. obviously, if you're doing this, you're basing this on what I say. And so, honestly, really happy for you guys. I think so. So if you're doing this, I think you should like credit me. So based on what I said, okay. And if you're doing this in a clear way, like knowing everything that's going to be done and things like that, then honestly, really happy for you, because it might be the start of a strong growth. And so really, really, really happy. Okay. If this is the case. Now, if you're basing this on what I say, obviously, I would like to be credited. Okay. But honestly, really happy that you are able to like increase the value of your country thanks to that. If everything is really clear, just make sure that everything is really clear to you. Okay. Okay, so that's what I wanted to say. So like when you have a good growth like this, make sure that the growth will continue. Okay. So be aware. Okay. So you go. Don't really have anything else to say. Don't really have anything else to say right now. Going to do both clips. And going to continue on the project. So I'm going to keep my glasses. I see better with it. So I said 28. Okay. Okay. So the first clip is about réseau sans fil. Auxiliaire, peut-être. Ou tiers. J'aime bien tiers. Sans fil, tiers. Hop. Non, c'est pas ça. Je pense. Hop.